So hey everyone, we are going to film a guitar cover for one of our friends.
And it's gonna be very interesting session for us as it's a new experience.
Now you must be thinking, why are you filming a client? Look, upgrading skills is must as it will make us stand out in the crowd and give us the freedom to think or portray something in a unique way. क्योंकि आंखों से जो दिखता है वो कैमरे में उतारना is a pretty difficult job. That's why we decided to take it to the next level.
हम लोग इतना एक्साइटेड है कि हम लोकेशन पे बहुत पहले ही पहुंच गए.
We love cinematography and editing stuff and creating something out of nothing. So when we got to know one of our friend is making a guitar cover and wanted to shoot by himself, we offered our help as this will not only help him but also help us to grow ourselves to the next level. So finally, after waiting for an hour, he is here. Now, we chose this location for 4 basic reasons: sunlight, less crowded, reflection in water surface, and the vibe of the place.
So while we set up the equipments, let him play the different parts of the song and tune into the perfect mood before he performs in front of the camera.
So we're gonna shoot this video in a cinematic way and we're gonna show you some glimpse of those videos so that you can compare the before and the after results.
So let's go. अभी filming शुरू करते हैं. Moving the subject in one place, we are trying different angles and different postures. Also not forgetting to look for a proper soft light. Cinematic shots look so good, so we are taking some cinematics as well, as these shots will add some spice to this video.
खोलो इसको, खोलो. So he is playing his guitar and we are rolling our cameras.
So we are done shooting in our first location. Now heading towards the second location. 2-3 और shots बाकी है हमको करना, वो करेंगे.
This timing, that is 4:15 or 4:20 in the evening, this timing is very good for shooting. और यहाँ पे जो footage आ रहा है ना बहुत ही अच्छा आ रहा है.
Finally filming खत्म हो गया और कुछ extra shots भी ले रहे हैं so that we can fill up the gaps if needed.
और इतना लंबा सेशन के बाद चाय के बिना बात कैसे बनते? So having a cup of tea for recharging our batteries.
Now comes the energy draining yet fun part, which is editing.
एडिटिंग करते हुए हमको क्लिप्स थोड़ा कम लग रहे हैं. Now if you remember the extra shots we took, we will add those shots to fill the gaps. And voila, here's the final video.
So now you saw the color grading, composition and the overall vibe. If you want to watch the full video, link is in the description, you can go and check out. And also give it a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your friends and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.
I don't understand why these people are not subscribing to our channel.